Welcome to the CryptoNest. All right, so an update on Solana. So let's do just a zoom out here. We do have 5-way up, completed this third wave, and now the question is, was this the bottom of the fourth wave? I'm still leaving an option here where we only had a wave A here, so we had an A overshooting wave B and a C, and this would be just the A in blue. This could be a B wave, and yeah, well, it was a high B wave, which is great because it will allow the C wave to be shallower, not make a new local low, and push the fifth wave even higher. So this is my less bullish scenario. Well, let's talk about the more bullish one. So also here we have this 1-2 set up. So this was the one, 5-way up. We had the wave 2. Nice level of reaction near the 0.618. And now it pushed higher. So this is why I could start to call this a third wave. But if that is the case, let me zoom in a little bit. I don't like it. I don't like it because, this fourth wave was very shallow. Otherwise, I need to say, fine. This is a 1-2. And the problem is now, yeah, how do I do with that, right? Because this could be another 1-2, and this is the third, but then the fourth wave, it's too deep. And we should do a fifth wave there. So I'm questioning myself if this is actually a good count or it's just making something really messy. So we have still a 1-2. Or maybe this third wave is not finished yet. And perhaps we're still going to have a fourth and a fifth. And this could be just, if we're talking about crazy numbers, yeah, this could be just a bigger wave one. The one I'm leaning more now lately, because of this messiness, it could be that this is an A, a B, and now we're working into the C. Now I'm still struggling to find this 5-way up, but this could be a 1-2. This is the third, this is the fourth, and going higher because we have 5-way up for the A wave allegedly. So then we need to have 5-way up for the C wave as well. So this is the other scenario. As you can see, for the moment, all pretty much bullish. And in a case, well, I mean, we need to do another higher high just to make this fifth wave materialize. And after that, we could expect a big correction if indeed this is an A, B, and a C. So we just need a little bit, a new higher high compared to the, what was that, 260, let's say. So, and after that, we're going to have a correction, ABC, and this could be another entry point if this ever happen and we do see 3 waves down. That's pretty much how I see it. Now, for short term, you can see I did put 2 trend line. This is the longest one, only 2 touching points. You can see that, yeah, if we break this one, it would be our first hint that something more bearish is happening or a correction is happening. More short term, yeah, I did put another orange trend line here. Once again, only 2 touching points, so not very solid, but this would be our first sign that something happening, a correction perhaps, and also going below 212, what's that, 212, 10 cents. This would be another sign of alarm that maybe something less bullish is happening. And for sure, if price goes and break both of them, we need to be aware of that. And then once again, if it does break those two, I'm going to look for this uptrend green line here if it can hold. If it doesn't, that's another alarm bell. That would be actually the third one. All right, so this is pretty much all I wanted to share with you guys. Let me just go and check the RSIs. I don't see. I don't see anything wrong. I see still something. There is place for a higher level now. We didn't reach the overbought, so there is potential. Stock RSI just tipping into the overbought or about to, so we do have still room to go higher. The next level that I'm looking, it would be 285. I know it looks a lot, but you know, if you see at the swings it can take, it's not a lot to ask, I would say. Let me check here. So the last swing was, well, that was a nice one, 22%. So we would need from now a 24-25%. I mean, we could go near there and would be fine as well. 266 also, it's another level that it could react. What is this? Well, this is the B wave level. Once again, I did show you before, so I'm saying if this is the A, this could be the B. So we did went higher than a 0.76. So next level or reaction, actually we already reached it. Let me add that. No, not that one, this one. There you go. So we did reach the 0.886, and the next one it would be a 1-to-1 ratio with a, wave B, for the wave B. And so yeah, so between 266 and 285, it's going to be a zone where we need to be aware that price could be rejected. All right, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day. Bye.